In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to be a Sam's Club affiliate program member. To get started, head over to the official Sam's Club affiliate or creator program page. Once you're there, take a few moments to review the program details carefully. This is important because you want to understand the requirements, the benefits, and whether you meet the eligibility guidelines before applying. Reading through this information first can also help you avoid mistakes later in the process. After that, complete the online application. You'll typically be asked to provide basic contact information along with details about your website, blog, YouTube channel, or social media accounts. You may also need to explain how you plan to promote Sam's Club offers. In some cases, payment information may be requested as well. As you fill everything out, make sure your information is accurate and up to date, since applications are reviewed before acceptance. Once your application has been submitted, the next step is simply to wait for approval. Sam's Club will review your website or social media presence to decide whether your content is a good fit for the program. When that review is complete, you'll receive a notification by email letting you know if you've been approved. This part can take a little time, so be patient and keep an eye on your inbox. If you're approved, sign into your affiliate dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything related to your account. Inside the dashboard, you'll usually find your affiliate links, banners, and other promotional materials. You should also have access to performance reports and commission tracking tools, which are useful for seeing what's working and what may need improvement. Next, create your affiliate links. These are unique tracking links connected to your account, and they're what allow the program to credit you for qualifying sales. You can generate links for specific Sam's Club products or for membership offers, depending on what you want to promote. After your links are ready, start sharing them through your content. You can place them in YouTube videos, blog posts, social media platforms, email newsletters, or product reviews. Wherever you use them, make sure they fit naturally into your content and are relevant to your audience. Also, remember to disclose that they are affiliate links whenever required by advertising regulations. Finally, once someone clicks your link and completes a qualifying purchase, you can earn a commission based on the program's terms and eligible products. Keep in mind that commission, rates, and qualifying purchases can vary, so it's a good idea to stay familiar with the current program rules. And that's how to get started as a Sam's Club affiliate.